Hi there, this is our Harrison M500 lathe, 2.5 metre centres, good English lathe. It's come out of a tool room and was being used. It's in generally good condition, quite a well-known lathe. There's been plenty of them sold before and still plenty of them in use. It's got good wee features on it, the wee supports here, the change of direction for the feed on the carriage, etc. This has got a quick change. It's got the magnetic, electromagnetic lock for the chuck, in the neutral lock position, etc. This particular one's come to us without any reverse jaws on the 3-jaw, so we've fitted a new Chinese 3-jaw chuck. I'll start from the back. It's got the full length splash guard there, coolant system, motor isolation switch down here, looks reasonably tidy under there. Your changes, that's the coolant pump working there, I haven't got fluid in it. Your neutral magnetic brake there, emergency stop, your controls here, and a light there that's working. Alright, we'll start with the tailstock. That lock's working there, so is that. Feels okay up there, up that taper. The carriage is nice to move, and so is that cross slide and the compound slide. There's very little movement in that compound slide and probably an 1/8 of a turn in the cross slide. The bed condition's good. It's got a little bit of scoring there, but not much. You can't feel any ridges. Alrighty, I'll start it up and run you through the feeds. So that's forward, reverse. So I've got both of the feeds going there. I'll take you through those changes, the different speeds there. So they're all working nicely, going in and out. So is that. I'll engage that lead screw, so that's heading that way. That's engaging nicely. I'll see if I can change that direction of that lead screw. Now it's coming back the other way, so it's coming towards me. So that lead screw's engaging nicely. I'll take you through the feeds. That's the cross slide coming out towards you now, and the carriage coming towards me. And if I change that direction, then the cross slide's going away from you now, and the carriage is going that way. So those are the feeds. I'll take you through the speed range. So that's the low range there, lowest 31. 40, 50, 63, 80, 100. So that's the last of the low range there. And now I'll put it into the medium range. That's 400, 125. 160, 200, 250, 315, 500, which will be the last of that medium range. Alright, we've got the high range now. Next one will be 500. 630. 800. 1000. 2 more. 1250. 1. Last one at 1600. And then I'll show you what it's like in reverse. So that's 1600 in forward, and I'll show you that in reverse. So those are your top speeds there. So that's the gear range. It's nice to move through, and you can listen to that there. And that is pretty much most of it.